Hey everyone, and welcome to the Paira Fitness YouTube channel. You just finished crushing your workout, feeling that amazing post-exercise pump. But hold on, your work isn't quite done yet. To maximize your results and keep your body happy, there are some common post-workout mistakes you want to avoid. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Skipping the cool down. You pushed yourself hard during your workout, and your muscles are screaming. But the temptation to just collapse on the couch is strong. Resist it. A cool down with static stretches helps your muscles relax and reduces your risk of soreness. Mistake number 2. Forgetting to refuel. Don't think of post-workout as the finish line, but more like a pit stop. Your body just uses up a lot of energy, and it needs fuel to rebuild and repair those muscles. Aim for a snack rich in protein and carbohydrates within 30 minutes of your workout. Mistake number 3. Ignoring hydration. Sweating is a good sign. It means your body is working hard, but all that lost fluid needs to be replenished. Grab your water bottle and chug down some H2O. Aim to rehydrate based on how much you sweat during your workout. Mistake number 4. Pushing through pain. Listen to your body. There's a difference between pushing yourself and pushing through pain. If you feel sharp pain, stop the exercise and consult a doctor if necessary. Remember, progress takes time. Don't risk injury by ignoring pain signals. Mistake number 5. Neglecting sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. While you're catching those, your body is working hard to repair and rebuild your muscles, making you stronger for your next workout. So there you have it. Avoid these post-workout mistakes and keep your fitness journey on the right track. By giving your body the proper care after your workout, you'll be back in the gym feeling stronger and ready to crush your next session. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like or share this video and subscribe for more workout tips.